Hey yo, what's up？ 我是杰米。今天是美国高中的 Beach Day。那什么是 Beach Day 呢？ Beach Day 就是4个年级一起前往一片海滩，在那边休息，然后在海水里面玩，然后会有一系列的活动。那就让我们看下去吧。
It takes every one of us, okay? Whether you're in a game or not, all right? So I want to hear it loud and proud. Ready? 2, 5, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 5, 4. 2, 5, 4. 2, 5, 4. 2, 5, 4. 2, 5, 4. 2, 5, 4.
Sean.
Hello, Jeremy. Jeremy, how do you say fat in Chinese?
胖
Huh?
胖
Hang.
胖
Hang.
我的天哪！变态，变态，胖，
变态。
变态！我的天哪！
你好，台湾。
你好，恭喜发财，
太好了。Hi, Jeremy.
Hey, let me get one service.
Just done eating.
He wasn't looking. Jeremy, let's go! Beach day.
Hi, Jeremy.
What's on your shirt? What's on your shirt? How you doing? What's on your shirt? What up? Buckets. If you don't have a tool, grab a bucket and get some sand. Okay, jump out of the water. No, you won't need it no more. Let's just get to an naked, baby. Versace on the floor. Oh, take it off for me now. And I'm thinking about people fall in love in mysterious ways. Maybe it's all part of a plan. They will keep on making the same mistakes, hoping that you are their words. When I see her, you ain't seeing me, but I guess it was all just make believe. Oh, love, never knew what I was missing, but I knew one thing started tomorrow. So I'll love you every night like it's the last night, like it's the last night. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. If the party was over and our time on earth was through, I wanna hold you. Friday night, Friday night, Friday night, Friday night. Yeah, yeah. I've been gigging.